Some exercises are considered to be bad for the spine because they can place undue stress on the discs and joints. For example, bending down to touch one's toes from a standing position is often done by people in an attempt to stretch their hamstring muscles. But very often, most of the movement goes through the lower back without stretching the hamstrings as much as other safer hamstring stretches. Because the stretch is begun from an upright position with gravity bearing down on the spine, this maneuver can place excessive strain on the invertebral discs and spinal ligaments. Hamstring stretches and lower back stretches are more safely performed from a lying position or kneeling on all fours. Illustrations of these safer types of stretch are shown on our website www.nationalbackpainhelpline.co.uk. Another movement people often do not realise can be harmful is full neck rotation, whereby the neck is rotated in a circular action, taking the head right back into full extension. This action can compress the facet joints of the spine, which could lead to wear and tear of the joints of the neck. Safer versions of this exercise would be to perform half circles, without taking the head and neck right back into extension. Neck strain can also be caused by people performing sit-ups or abdominal crunches with hands clasped behind their head, pulling and leading with the head as they perform the exercise. It would be better to gently place the fingertips on the side of the head without gripping the head and to keep the head still in a neutral position relative to the body throughout the movement. One modification that would help with this is to make the hands into a fist and place them under the chin so that the little fingers are under the chin. It will then be impossible to force the head any closer to the chest whilst performing the exercise. Another mistake that people can make in an attempt to tone up their abdominal muscles is to perform sit-ups or leg raises with straight legs. This often causes the lower back to arch excessively, thus placing undue stress on the posterior structures of the spine. Abdominal exercises whereby the knees remain bent and the abdominal muscles are used to flatten or press the lower back towards the floor are considered to be much safer.